Today and next week's recipes are both great food ideas to make for the 4th of July. Today we're going to be making a side, and next week we will be making a dessert. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we love good food that not only tastes good, but is good for you. Today we're going to be making a spin on a classic, Cranberry Pecan Coleslaw. Let's begin by making the dressing. To your food processor, add in 1/4 cup of either cashew butter or tahini, 1/4 cup of olive oil. So instead of using the cashew butter and the olive oil, you could absolutely substitute this with 1/2 cup of your favorite mayonnaise. I'm just not a big fan of mayonnaise, so I thought I would try something different, but you absolutely could use those instead. Next we have 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, which may reduce your blood sugar levels as well as support a healthy gut. 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar or your preferred sweetener. Next, we're going to add 1 minced up garlic clove. And I was just reading today that a study over 7 years, it showed that people who ate raw garlic at least twice a week had a 44% less chance of developing lung cancer. Super powerful. Garlic is one of those herbs to definitely add to as many recipes as possible. 3 tablespoons of dried cranberries, and I'm using ones that have been mildly sweetened with apple juice. Last, I have 1/4 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt, and about 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, or to your desired taste. Pulse a few times and then let the processor run until all of your ingredients have come together. To help support your digestive, joint, and skin health, you can also add in 2 scoops of our clean sourced collagens powder. Now that our dressing is prepared, in a large bowl, add in 6 cups of thinly sliced cabbage. So that is about 1/2 of a large one or 1 small cabbage. And I used my food processor to do this just because it was easier, but you certainly could use a knife. Next we have 1/4 to 1/2 cup of sliced up red onion. And the reason I'm giving you that range is just because some people like a strong flavor of onion and some people don't. So you can play around with the amount so that it really works for you. Next I have 1/2 cup of shredded carrot. Drizzle on your dressing, toss together, and then cover and refrigerate for 1 to 4 hours just to let the flavors come together and the cabbage to soak up some of that dressing. Just before you're ready to serve, add in 1/2 cup of roasted or raw chopped up pecans and 1/4 to 1/2 cup of dried cranberries. Again, I'm using the apple juice sweetened ones. Do you love bacon? You could also add in 6 crispy and crumbled up bacon strips. Toss together again and serve up and enjoy. Okay, let's give this cranberry pecan coleslaw a taste. That is really good. You know, I don't like the flavor of mayonnaise, so I really like the little switch up that we did with some cashew butter and olive oil. Now, if you really like your coleslaw to have that little bit of a bite to it, I would up the apple cider vinegar. Maybe up to 2 more tablespoons worth will be really delicious. This is so good. I really love the flavors, how it all comes together with the cranberries and the pecans. I hope you give this one a try. Thanks so much for joining me today. Take great care of yourself, have fun in the kitchen, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.